field found surrounding the Earth. It's isolating us from the universe. A groundbreaking discovery has revealed a strange, invisible force field encircling Earth, the ambipolar electric field. It may not be as apparent as some other fields of science, but this one is vital in determining the environment we have around us and shields us from things like meteors and dangerous cosmic rays. Known as a shield that separates us from the universe, it doesn't exclude us from the vast, deadly space but helps humanity survive. Here is an attempt to present a detailed picture of its interesting dynamics. A shield beyond imagination, the ambipolar electric field discovered. In 2024, NASA finally revealed the ambipolar electric field was a crucial, weak force that plays a role in defining Earth's atmosphere. Theorized initially more than 60 years ago, this field was recently quantified by the Endurance mission, which showed it as responsible for expelling charged particles from the Earth's atmosphere over the poles. It is only as powerful as a watch battery but substantially impacts our atmosphere. The ambipolar field begins somewhere about 150 miles out from the Earth's surface, where the electrons are separated from heavier ions. If not for this field, these particles would move apart because of gravity. Our upper atmosphere would be at risk. However, the field does so. It maintains equilibrium and keeps the particles together, even raising the height of the ionosphere to greater heights, which is a way of pumping up the ionosphere. This stabilizes the atmosphere, and we get the eerie polar wind here. This polar wind, a continuous emission of hydrogen and oxygen ions, slows down the rate at which some atmospheric constituents are lost to space. In controlling this escape, the ambipolar electric field, thus, safeguards Earth's habitability and shields us from some of the space's worst conditions. How this protective force shapes Earth's relationship with space. Instead of merely protecting us from electric charges, the ambipolar electric field helps initiate atmospheric evolution. For millions of years, this field has been responsible for losing lighter gases like hydrogen and forming an atmosphere capable of supporting life. This process emphasizes the balance and stability of the Earth in its fight against forces in space. The field of practice is not limited to the concept of shielding. Because it carries ions into space, it can also be seen as a means of conveying energy around the atmosphere. This mechanism not only influences the ionosphere of the Earth but also fortifies its magnetic barrier, thus reducing the effects of damaging solar and cosmic rays. In other words, it creates a double barrier around the planet. Surprisingly, similar fields are expected to be on the other planets with an atmosphere, such as Mars and Venus. Studying Earth's ambipolar field could help researchers determine which celestial bodies might be capable of supporting life, thus extending our knowledge of the universe even more significantly. A cosmic connection, linking Earth's field to planetary evolution. The field of Earth is ambipolar and may contain the secret of the evolution of planets. In the containment of atmospheric particles within the Earth's environment, this field makes it possible for Earth to remain suitable for human beings while at the same time preventing excessive loss of atmosphere. It probably influenced the climate and geology of planets, giving researchers an idea of what could have happened on other planets. NASA's Endurance mission unveiled that hydrogen ions, the ingredients of the polar wind, experience tenfold gravity force due to this field and are propelled into space at supersonic velocity. This controlled outflow has helped to keep the Earth's atmosphere thick instead of thin, and organizational complexity has been made possible. Furthermore, this field of study has created avenues through which it is possible to consider the existence of this field on exoplanets. If other planets have such fields, they may have an atmosphere that supports life. The ambipolar electric field of Earth is thus a model for scientists to help them comprehend humanity's role in the universe. The ambipolar electric field of the Earth is not just a discovery, it is an affirmation that the planet is entirely made up of sustainable systems. It protects us from the worst, the absolute, which the universe has to offer while keeping the environment safe for life. This field is preserving our atmosphere and encouraging the scientific discovery of other planets and whether or not they can support life. As we learn more about this invisible protector, we deepen our appreciation for Earth's unique place in the cosmos.